Hi there, this is Muhammad Abbas from Computer Tech Skill. In this class, we'll try to learn all about mailings that is present beside Page Design tab. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's try to understand what mailing is related to. You must be understanding the options that are present there, which I must have taught you in the previous tutorial, maybe in Microsoft Word. Let me make you understand all about mailings and select recipient. This portion is almost related with one another. So let's try to understand about that. If you're having any sort of party at your home or any sort of thing, and you're making sort of invitation card for your friends or for your relatives, so you must be using this option specifically. What I have to tell you is that to go for this option, and over there we have got three of the options. Like the first option relates with type a new list. If I click on it, so we have got more of the things over there, like for example title, first name, last name, company name, address line 1 2 3, and country name, and furthermore. So what I recommend you is that let's try to go for customize columns, and over there remove the options or remove the things that are not important. So the method to remove that is so much simple. Make sure to go and click on delete and use your arrow key at the same time. So I don't want zip code, state, I really don't want the city either, address line 2, and also the title, and also company name. So I have got three of the things remained. So what I have to do, make sure to click on OK, and we have got first name, last name, and address. So let's try to fill that out. For example, Hassan Ali, address is maybe ABC, address may be ABC. If you want to go for the next entry, make sure to go and use this option which is known as new entry, or maybe try to use the tab button that is present inside the keyboard. Muhammad Basit, ABC, or you can say DEF, Zafar Ali, maybe KL, and whatever. And let's try to type the fourth name, like let me correct this, Hasnain Khan. Maybe this is the address. Well, you can go and type any sort of address you want. Hit OK. Make sure to click on desktop and try to save that out. Let's suppose I have saved that. So what I have to do this time, I have to be typing something there in order to make sure that what am I making this invitation card for. Like let's suppose I am typing a sort of formula which I have already copied. So what I have to do is to paste it out there. So I have pasted there. So what I have to do this time, I have to click at the top, and over there go for insert merge field, first name, space, last name, and let me go at the bottom, hit enter twice or thrice. Make sure to go and bring address line 1, and this time we just have got first name, last name, and address. Let me make you understand about the formula. I have typed or I have copied from Microsoft Word. The thing is that this formula I have typed because I may not have some of the information now at the moment, but you can type something like dear sir, you are invited for our party or whatever, and you can type like dear sir, you are invited to our party, and so on. You can carry on. Over there you can also type dear sir, so that is what you can do the process. And this time we have just got first name and last name and address line 1. So what we have to do is to show the specific name, is to make sure to go for preview result, and over there we have got Hassan Ali. If you want to go for the next one, make sure to click on this Muhammad Basit and Zafar Ali and Hasnain Khan, and over there we have got the addresses also. If you go for the previous, you'll be able to observe those. Let me make you understand about that furthermore. Let's suppose we have forgot some of the names, or maybe we have not entered some of the names. So now we want or intend to type those of the names. What we have to do, make sure to go and edit recipient list. Click on that, go for edit, and over there go for new entry. Type there Iqra Ali and type the address whatever you want. Yes, hit OK. So let's try to observe that whether or not we have Iqra Ali. Go for the next, go for the next, and next. So we have got Iqra Ali over there. So this is what the things are working like. And let me add one thing more to that. If we want to search out that whether or not we have some sort of name that we are in doubt about that, so we must be finding that out. Go for find recipient, click there, go for the first name. Maybe I want to type the name like Hassan. So now we have got the Hassan name. It means that now we are sure that we have that name. So this is the option that you can search out the name by. You must be observing something, that there are also some sort of greeting line. If you want to bring that, you can also bring that. Like, let me click there. See, that works. Dear Hassan Ali, and you can continue that. You must be observing that if we go at the bottom, so we just have this simple sort of paper or simple sort of page, in which if we want to go for the next one, this will be making us go for the next one. So means there is no sort of way that we have our all sort of names on separate pages. For that we have got one sort of option there, finish and merge. Click on that, merge to printer, and now we have got all of the names on their own pages, separate pages. See, that works. You can observe this place, like this is Zafar Ali, and this is Hasnain Khan, and this is Iqra Ali. This is mostly used for invitation card and maybe for some more purposes. So that is what I have taught you in this class. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.